Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey there, Minecraft enthusiasts! In this video, I will show you how to get an invisible frame in Minecraft. This is a fantastic way to add unique decorations and hidden storage to your builds. First, you'll need to open your chat window. You can do this by pressing the T key on your keyboard or the right directional pad on your controller. Make sure cheats are enabled in your world settings to use commands. Now let's get to the core of it. In the chat, you'll type the command /summon Minecraft item frame. This basic command will create a regular item frame right in front of you. If you want to place it at a specific location, you can add coordinates after item frame, like tilde, tilde, tilde for your current position or specific X, Y, and Z values. To make that item frame truly invisible, we need to add a special data tag. After item frame, you'll add curly bracket invisible :1b curly bracket. So the full command becomes /summon Minecraft item frame curly bracket invisible :1b curly bracket. This tag tells the game to render the item frame completely transparent, making it perfect for hidden displays or floating items. Once you've executed the command, you'll have an invisible item frame ready for use. Simply right-click on the spot where you want to place it, and then right-click again with an item in your hand to put it into the frame. You can even right-click the frame repeatedly to rotate the item inside. These invisible frames are incredibly versatile for creating unique displays and adding a touch of magic to your Minecraft builds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.